guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this hope with a nativity scene. I'm going to go in first and base coat it in the color Bunker Hill Blue, and then I'm going to go in and just base coat my Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus in just a solid black color. And then I did Colonel Mustard for the star, and now I'm going in with the tip of my paintbrush. So I'm flipping my paintbrush over and using the end of it to dip it into the color Fluff and just dot that onto my letters to kind of look like stars. And then I'll use a number 4 round and that Fluff color to kind of go in and outline my Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus, kind of to give them some shape. And then I'll just do the same thing on the star but with black. And then that's all I do to this. It's so easy and so cute. I think you guys will have a lot of fun painting this. And I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.